Hello first class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's EVS class. Students, as you know we are doing block 9 clothes we wear. We already know that we wear different types of clothes. Today we will explain how the clothes we wear change with the change in season. Season के साथ कैसे जो हम clothes wear करते हैं वो भी change हो जाते हैं. Now students, here are some pictures of some clothes. So you have to separate these clothes into the groups that we wear in rainy season, winter season or in summer season. So here is a question based on that picture. What type of clothes did you sort for the summer and winter? Let's discuss the answer. We sorted clothes like the sweater, gloves and woolen cap for winter. We sorted clothes like shorts and short sleeve shirt for summer. I hope it is clear. Now it's time for the next question. Question is, why do we wear different type of clothes at different types of year? हम ईयर में different time पे different clothes क्यों wear करते हैं? Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. We wear different type of clothes according to the season. For example, in winter we wear woolen clothes. As they keep us warm. In summer we wear cotton clothes as they keep us cool. When it rains we wear raincoat because it helps us remain dry. We also wear special clothes on festivals. On Diwali, Guru Purb, Christmas and Eid, many of us wear colorful and fancy clothes. On Eid, men wear kurta pajama and cap. On Holi, we wear white clothes or old clothes to play with colors. I hope you understand that. Now students, look at this table. Seasons and clothes and festivals and clothes. सो समर में हम कॉटन क्लोथ्स वेयर करते हैं, विंटर में वुलन क्लोथ्स एंड रेनी सीजन में क्लोथ्स दैट प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम रेन. एंड फेस्टिवल में हम कैसे क्लोथ्स वेयर करते हैं? कलरफुल एंड फैंसी क्लोथ्स, स्पेशल क्लोथ्स लाइक वाइट क्लोथ्स ऑन होली. Now it's time for higher order thinking question. Question is, what will happen if we wear woolen clothes in summer? क्या होगा अगर हम woolen clothes summer में wear करेंगे तो? It is hot in summer. Summer में already बहुत hot होता है. If we wear woolen clothes in summer, we will feel hot and may also get rashes. Wearing woolen clothes in summer will make us uncomfortable. हमें uncomfortable feel होगा और हमारी body पे rashes भी हो सकती है. Now students, it's time for the reading. Lesson number 3, choice of clothes. We choose clothes according to the season or festivals. We wear woolen clothes like sweater, gloves, muffler and jacket in winters. They keep us warm. We wear cotton clothes like short sleeved shirt, shorts, skirt and dress in summer. They keep us cool. We wear raincoat and rain boots during rain. They protect us from getting wet. We wear colorful clothes on festivals. Now students, these are keywords. First one is carton, a cupboard, box in which things are kept. Next one is uncomfortable, not relaxed or pleasant. Now it's time for the worksheet. 9.3, choice of clothes. First question is, circle the season in which we wear each set of clothes. आपको उस season को circle करना है जिसमें हम इन clothes को wear करते हैं. स्वेटर, जैकेट, मफलर, कोट एंड ग्लव्स. समर में या फिर विंटर में? यस, विंटर. सो वी विल सर्कल विंटर. नेक्स्ट, शॉर्ट शर्ट, शॉर्ट स्लीव शर्ट, फ्रॉक, स्लीवलेस टी शर्ट वी वियर इन समर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज, लुक एट द पिक्चर एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. ए पार्ट इज, विच फेस्टिवल इज जोसेफ सेलिब्रेटिंग? ये जोसेफ है और कौन सा फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है? क्रिसमस. How do you know he is celebrating the festival? We know it that he is celebrating Christmas by looking at his clothes or his dress. उसकी dress और clothes को देख के हमें पता चला. Now question number 3 is, why don't we wear woolen gloves in summer? If we wear woolen gloves in summer, we feel very hot. तो हमें बहुत hot feel होगा. I hope worksheet is clear. Now it's time for the practice questions. First question is, नेम योर फेवरेट फेस्टिवल, राइट द क्लोथ्स यू लाइक टू वियर ऑन दैट डे। सो आपको अपने फेवरेट फेस्टिवल का नेम बताना है। सो माई फेवरेट फेस्टिवल इज़ दिवाली एंड आई लाइक टू वियर कलरफुल ड्रेसेस ऑन दैट डे। सो आपको अपनी क्लोथ्स के बारे में और अपने फेस्टिवल के बारे में बताना है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज़ question number 2 is Jatin is going to a cold place in the hills. Simi is going to the seaside where it is hot. Write the name of any 3 clothes that Jatin and Simi should each carry. दोनों को ही कौन से क्लोथ्स कैरी करने चाहिए, आपको 3 क्लोथ्स के नाम बताने हैं। सो जो जतिन है वो क्या कैरी करेगा, ही विल वियर जैकेट, वुलन कैप एंड ग्लव्स। एंड सिमी क्या कैरी करेगी, शॉर्ट्स, स्लीवलेस ड्रेसेस और फ्रॉक्स। क्लियर। नाउ बी, why did you choose these clothes for them? Because they are going to the different places where climate is different, जहाँ पे climate different है इसीलिए हमने उनके लिए different clothes choose किए। Now third question is, why do some people wear old clothes on Holi, a festival of colors? Students, we play Holi with colors, so if we wear new clothes on Holi, they will become dirty. वो कलर से गंदे हो जाएंगे, so we wear old clothes on Holi. I hope practice questions are clear to you all. Thank you everyone for watching this video.